Muigai wa Njoroge muthenya wa umuthi ni arikitie kwandikira mutumia wake wa keri Queen Stacy ndumiriri ndito muno today as she celebrates her birthday. Na Muigai has taken to his social media page kuria akorwo akiaria na kwiiturura maundu maritu agitariria how Queen Stacy changed his life, uria akorirwo akumurehera gikeno muturire-ini wake ever since he married her. Na Muigai agikiuga ati ni akenaga muno ni gukorwo ena mutumia uyu muturire-ini wake, na ni ndumiriri acoka gututhura ndereti nene muno in the comment section. Na oho Muigai wa Njoroge ni akorwo respond to a certain comment kuria murumiriri umwe wake akorwo celebrate Njeri wa Muigai instead of Queen Stacy. Murumiriri uyu akiuga kiara kungwira Njeri wa Muigai ati today being happy girlfriend's day, she chooses to celebrate Njeri wa Muigai instead of Queen Stacy. Na ni atuma Muigai wa Njoroge akorwo onake aikiariria iguru rigi mutumia uyu wake wa mbere Njeri wa Muigai. Na this is what has happened. Muigai has shared this a lovely message and a heavy post kuri Queen Stacy akiuga wokire kuri nie ugituika anja ya ciuria nyingi, wokire kuri nie ugituika gitumi gia gukena, wokire kuri nie unguire thayo na gikeno, wokire kuri nie ugituma nyende gutura muno, ni uheithagia gitio ona ukandea nie mwene tura matuko maingi nigetha ona nie ndure. Happy birthday my love, hey friends, irai mutumia wakwa happy birthday with this lovely photo here. Na arumiriri ake matina ikorwo makimuconora ni makungwira Queen Stacy na njira nene muno, ona makimu appreciate. Na thutha ucio niguo murumiriri umwe ikorwo agishare post ino na comment ino akiuga happy girlfriend's day beautiful Njeri Muigai with this to love emojis na mbica ino ya Njeri wa Muigai. Na nikuo Muigai onake agikorwo akiyumiria na ukorwo agikiuga ni muthaka muno mutumia ucio wakwa. Muigai oho agikungwira Njeri wa Muigai even though it's Queen Stacy's birthday today. Na it was a post meant for Queen Stacy. Danakorwo ignore this post. He has also appreciated and recognized Njeri na agikiuga she too is a lovely woman and also his wife too. Na ni undu onago wakorwo wa gukungurwo na gukenia mo fans muno. Aingi magikiuga they have loved how Muigai has handled that situation. Na danakorwo ignore ati tondu it was Queen Stacy's birthday akorwo ignore post about Njeri asa, akorwo akiyumiria na appreciated her and embraced her too. Agikungwira atumia ake early on this day ali muthenya wa gukungwira Queen Stacy's birthday and a happy birthday to her. Na ndugakiriganirwo go subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.